up, everybody? Today I'm going to go after some pike or some smallmouth bass, or really anything that's willing to bite in this river behind me. I'm going to be walking down quite a ways, and let's see if we can hook into something. I'm going to start off throwing this little red Context swim bait. I'm not sure if it's Trica or Trica, but I say Trica because I think it sounds better. But it's a 7-foot medium heavy bait caster on that Penn Squall with 30-pound braid and a 20-pound fluorocarbon leader. Might be thin enough for pike to bite through, but I don't think so. So let's get into some. Got something biting it already. Felt probably like a little bass or something. It was not big. That was better. Oh, got something on. Seems like a decent fish. Pulling drag. It's not huge, I don't think, but got something. That is... Oh, it's a tiny little pike. Oh, he's off. I probably should have netted him, but... Oh, that kind of sucks. Well, at least we already got a bite. Probably get on some more. That was just a little baby. He was probably like 16 inches or so. So not too big of a deal that he got off. But if he was any bigger, I probably would have grabbed the net. Something else nibbling on it. The fish are really active today. Another fish on, he's off. And I mean, the fish I'm losing don't seem huge, like they're like less than 2 pounds. So I mean, it's really not too big of a deal, but I'd like to get some on camera for you guys. All right, let's try the next hole. Oh, I just saw that. Something grabbed it. I saw it flash. It was a decent fish too. It wasn't. Oh, yeah, that was a pike. You guys can see here. The swim bait is missing the little paddle tail, so it's a non-paddle tail swim bait. So let's get a new one rigged up. All rigged up. Let's get my net a bit closer. Let's see if I can catch this fish. I'm pretty sure it was a pike. I saw it flash and it looked long and skinny. That's my best guess. Let's see if we can get him to bite. Oh, I actually hooked a fish above the rocks. This is gonna be interesting. I just said, you know what, screw it, let's try it. I've never done it before, and I actually just hooked a fish. Seems pretty decent too. Oh, it's a nice bass. Nice for this creek anyway. Biggest one I've caught is under a pound. Come here, buddy. Nope, I didn't need the net. Well, that's a nice catch right there. Decent little chunky smallie. He's probably maybe a pound. Might be a little bit smaller, but that's pretty cool. It's a beautiful smallmouth right there. He's probably about 15, 14 inches maybe. It's a cool one. Cool smallmouth right there. See you, buddy. That was sweet. Finally was able to land something. Let's get another cast up there. Oh, another fish. Oh. That's so weird. I did not expect them to be hanging out above the rocks. It's another little smallie, maybe. Looks to be. I'll just flip this guy up here. Yep, another little smallmouth. Demolishing my crank or my swim bait. He's a little guy. He's probably 12 inches, maybe 11. Shot my swim bait, ripped it up. Bye, buddy. Now let's get another cast up there. If I could hook into something like 2 pounds plus, that'd be really awesome. But my swim bait might be screwed. I might need to switch it out. It's swimming okay, but it's kind of ripped. Maybe if I can like re-hook it a little bit further back. Yeah, I mean it's messed up, but maybe if it's in the current they won't notice. I wonder if I can like rip off the front end and like put it on like that. Yeah, that doesn't look half bad, to be honest. And it's swimming alright. Got something. Seems they approve of my messed up swim bait. Let's see what this is. Haven't seen it yet. Looks like another bass. Yeah, a little bass. It's a decent one. Let's just see if we can flip them up here. Yep. It's a beautiful smallmouth. Oh, lure just fell out, but he was on that messed up swim bait. It's a cool little guy. He's a bit smaller than the first one, bigger than the last. Bye, bud. Got something. Seems a bit hose off. Man, that sucks. That one seemed actually pretty decent. That's larger than the ones we've been catching. Well, it's good that they're still biting over here. Oh, not sure if you guys saw that, but as I was going to pull it out of the water, this little pike snatched it up. Swamp pike are so difficult sometimes, but yep, little northern pike and a little red swim bait. It's a pretty guy. He's maybe, you know, 14 16 inches or so, but just a gorgeous fish. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook this guy, let him go. Damn, they're so funny. He actually landed in my net. So that's our deal. Let me step down here. This is probably about the size of the one that I lost earlier at the bank. Oh, buddy. So sweet. But they get much larger. Oh, that one is a nice fish. And this hole is producing today. Let's get the net out for this one. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's big or if it's just fighting really hard, but it's giving me the nicest fight of the day. I'm still not sure what it is. I think it's a nice bass. Ugh. Yeah, again. Just a little bass on the swim bait. It's probably about the size of the last one I caught. But he is a strappy little guy. He was fighting so hard. He was jumping and everything. Now this guy's actually hooked like in the tongue, which is very tough tissue on these fish. Yeah, I might need the pliers for this. Got this guy unhooked. You go ahead and let him go. Come on, bud. Alright, I walked all the way downstream without a single bite. So walked up to my truck, got my spinning rod. It's a 7-foot Trika 3X medium. I got some 15-pound braid with a 14-pound fluorocarbon leader. Small little raid swimmer with an orange jig head. And a 2500 pen conflict 2. I'm just gonna see if I can eke out a couple more little bass or pike or something before I call it. Because I lost all of my jig heads except my half-ounce ones, and those are just way too heavy to use here. So, see if I can catch a few more fish before I call it a day. Something. Looks to be a pike. A bit bigger than the one I caught earlier, I think. Yeah. Let's flip them up here. Yeah, it's a nice little pike. Let some line out here, show them off better. It's a nice little northern pike on the raid swimmer. Let's get them unhooked. It's a pretty fish. Let's let them go. Buddy. That cast is way up there and I'm on a fish. Doesn't seem too big, but it is fighting with the current. Or I guess I'm reeling it into the current. Right in front of me. It's a little bass, I think. Yep. A little smallmouth. He's a little guy, maybe 11 inches. Chomp that red shrimmer. Bye, buddy. Oh, he's still on. Oh, no, he's not. Okay, that was dumb on my part. I thought I felt a fish, but then I thought it came off. And I reeled a little bit more and he was still on, and then when I realized he was on, I already had a bad hook set and he just popped off. It's unfortunate. That's gonna do it for this video. You guys make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.